So we start off today's video with this big chop transformation. The stylist cuts the hair into a blunt bob. And wow, she also got some split dye happening with the hair color. Oh, this is absolutely perfection. Two hot trends in one, the split dye color and the bob. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone mix things up with this pixie haircut. And then we see this very trendy pixie mullet variation. Oh, wow. So she decided to switch things up with some color. Loving the skunk stripe pop of blonde going there mixed with the black. She also got some finger waves. Absolutely stunning makeover. And then we have someone rocking out a modern mullet. Lots of choppiness to this particular cut, as well as some baby bangs. And then it looks like we have someone else who's decided to get a bob. Beautifully done. Loving the curtain bangs added in the front for some gorgeous layers. So the stylist is just kind of shaping the hair. Her hair is on the thinner side. Wow, look how much volume he added within this cut. This is absolutely incredible. Beautiful feathered bangs to frame out the face. She looks absolutely stunning. So So next up we have another big chop transformation. Oh, looks like she's going very short. Beautiful blonde and black pixie style. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. Loving the way that the color looks within the cut. Beautifully done. So we have another color change for the next one. She already has a really pretty pixie style. Oh, looks like she got a cleanup with this undercut, nice tapered back, shaven sides, and the color looks unreal. Definitely like something you would see in a high fashion forward magazine. Beautifully done. So we have our last transformation of today, and this involves someone's going from mid-length hair to a blunt bob haircut. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.